畑かかし来来来い
Hey guys, we will be playing not Beast, sorry. This Avatar game. So technically, if you don't know what Avatar is, it's technically like those like 4 elements, like fire, earth, water, air. But there's more to that, but not in the game. There's more in the show. But yeah, I'm gonna be playing Avatar. And I guess I'll just show you, what it's like. And I kind of played this game, over, but you could double jump. You also get, starter. Here, I'll show you the starter, starter attacks. Oh, hey, I actually got a new one, airball. But I'm gonna, you're gonna take a look with me, to other places I haven't really explored, and I haven't really, really, whoa, oh, wow, whoa, okay, I gotta go quick, oh, whoa. I don't know if that's like the southern water type. I get really confused of the southern and the north. And if you so technically this is like based on Legend of Korra right now. I mean the air temples, stuff like that. I mean right now this isn't based on Avatar, like normal Avatar. But, what I said, it's based on Legend of Korra. I'm not really sure if... Okay, yeah, I can make it. This is a place I haven't discovered. But I guess I'll just try out new elements on other videos. This is like, airbender, air right now. But, yeah. On other... Whoa. Is this Republic City? Oh, no, that's not Republic City. Never mind. Wait, yeah, no, that's not Republic City. But I'm gonna go to the, I don't know which one, but I'm just gonna guess. I'm just gonna say it's southern. Oh? I guess we'll just explore there first. I'm not really gonna enable PvP because, I'm just exploring, not fighting. Yeah, I'm not trying to pick on fights, but like when someone tries to fight me, I will try to, kill them. I'm not really that good. Who is this man? Oh. Whoa. Oh, I know this place! Strange Sandbender. Traveling merchant. Oh, wow. Okay, those look like heads. I'm serious, those look like heads. There's something really else to explore. Over here at sand. But I guess I'll just keep going and going until I find other people, I guess. I mean, I don't know where Republic City is, but like, that's okay. Time to head over there. Oh, wow. Wait, what? Maybe as in a waterbender? You could like... Oh, I know. That's a, Spirit World. Oh, dang. I almost fell in the water. Okay. Oh. I like how there's like nothing under, but just like, but over here up in the surface is just water. Okay, we're almost here. We're just very, very close. I'm gonna turn off chat so you can see that. Alright, I'm gonna get up here. Oh. Okay, I think that will be a good spot for me to go on. I mean, it's technically the lowest over here, but I'm not gonna take that. Okay, yeah, I think I'm gonna go take that. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna. Come on, get up. Alright. Okay. This is gonna be hard to get up. But wow. Going over here will maybe help. I haven't unlocked my glider yet, so this is just gonna be so hard. Oh, camp! I'm so confused. Okay. Okay, fully healed. No, I'm okay. So I guess... Oh, there's more things here. What is this? Oh, these? I forgot how to... Oh, no, never mind. I thought they were dumbbells. Or, you know, those things. Oh, it was over there? Dang. Oh, my God. Dang. That's sad. Why is that there? I'm resetting. Okay. I'm resetting. I mean, I'll try to fight someone. Like, I'll just try now. I gotta enable my PvP. I just will do pushing ones. I never really tried that. Oh wait, I did. What happened? What happened to my air ball? Oh, everything changed. But how do you get gliders though? Oh, okay. I think I know. That's the northern. That's the southern. I forgot. I'm still rewatching Legend of Korra, and I forgot. Oh dang. I mean, I think I'm season 3. Whoa. Whoa. I really haven't found anyone. I'll just try to go to Bossing Say. I'm not really going to use any moves, but I'm just going to try to find someone or find people. I mean, there's a lot of people chatting, you know, at Bossing Say, so. And Bossing Say is earthbending. Okay, I'll tell you locations. Firebending, you will be teleported to Capital City. And waterbending, if you choose waterbending, you'll go to the Southern Tribe. And then if you choose earthbending, you'll go to Bossing Say, and that's where I'm gonna go. And I'm not gonna use any moves, remember. And airbending, what I use, you go to Air Temple Island. So I'm gonna go to earthbending. Whoa! Whoa! Okay. Weird. No one's here. I've been seeing people like chatting in chat that they're in Bossing Say. Someone's stealing a bison. That is sad. Whoa! Whoa! No! I didn't. All hail Lord Zuko. Oh, Zuko. If you don't know who Zuko is, he's in Legend of Korra. He's a new Fire Lord. And here, I'll tell you some things. I'm not really gonna. Okay, no, I'm not spoiling. If you guys want to watch it, if you want to watch Avatar and Legend of Korra, they're in Netflix, by the way. I don't know if they'll be like leaving soon. I'm not really sure. Oh, I found someone. Hello? Hello? I'm just gonna talk to these people. Cause like, whoa. Hello? Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 what was that? What was that? Okay, fine. Maybe I will try. Okay, never mind. I won't fight. Oh, okay. You wanna go like that? You wanna go like that? I'm really bad at this game, so Earthball. Earthrise. Dang. GG's. So I think that's gonna be it for today. I'll probably record soon, or probably record again. I'm not really sure, but I'll see you guys